Welcome to Amsoft AVC channel. Here is how to enhance and restore blurry face in videos using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. This program works perfectly as a face enhance AI to enhance and restore extremely blurry faces in videos. Add a blurry video to AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI to get started. Just choose the Upscale model. Turn on the face refinement option. Select the output video size you need. Select the output video format. Trim the video to the desired length. Hit on the Start Processing to start recovering the blurry face. Zoom in and out to see the details. This AI face recovery makes blurry face in video look sharper. Done. Click on the View Output Video button to check the clear video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.